he was held accountable because his family seen it, the local police made contact with Bedford PD, they seen it, and with his boss directly, I showed him everything, and he, started seeing that we had his picture, we had the text, we had it on video, we had all this evidence against him, so I wasn't going to hold the boss any type of accountable because he had nothing to do with his actions. So this is all on the credits. That's the only person we have on camera, which is the predator's colleague. So he's the only one who can
just senses something that's off. As long as the dog don't alert to your truck, you're fine. There's video on the internet of a Swift driver going through a border patrol checkpoint and the dog alerted to his truck. It could have been a false alarm. Uh, 0739. Retard.
The bus gonna pull up.
look at this. Yeah, hello. Not bad.
We've got one here, Bobby. Fucking this guy brake checking me. I was overtaking him and he fucking slow sped up. Beta. Luckily not, no. Luckily not. You absolute idiot. Ah, what is wrong with people? Some of the stuff we have to deal with out here. Here I am going through Paw Paw, Michigan. That's right, Paw Paw, Michigan. Look up here. You can see there's a police officer sitting there, off on the right, sitting there, not going nowhere. I move over into this lane, sitting there. Oh, well, maybe I should just pull out in front of the big truck. Yep. Pull out in front of the big truck. No big deal. I just won't go in there. Oh, wait, I'm going to make a turn. Let me throw that turn signal on the last second. Yep. And that's your police officers there for you. Way to pay attention. He's probably on his computer, not paying any attention. But yet, he's allowed to do that. Here I am up in Michigan again, getting on 94 West, heading towards Grand Rapids, something like that. Yep, and watch my mirror over on the front right. Watch the mirror. So no more lane, all single lane. Oh, are the headlights coming up? Sure enough, watch this four-wheeler. Look at that. Just goes right on by, just doesn't care, just going on down the road. Man, some of the stuff we have to deal with, not bad enough he's going to go past in the shoulder. He going to pass on the shoulder in the wet, in the rain, in the construction zone, getting on there. Just couldn't wait a few seconds for the big truck to go on by. Yep, pretty sad, pretty sad. Here's another one for you. Going on 33 Marysville. Look at that big truck fly on by. Oh, wait a minute. There you go. Got to get to my exit. Let me cut on across there. No turn signal or nothing. Just go on across. Yep, you thought the four wheels are bad. Looks like the big truck's doing it too. All right. Like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell.